your photo ready to go? Because I think.
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
Her face is beautiful.
Her eyes are the exact same color too.
So funny.
Yeah, that real green.
Yep. Well, hers,
Look at
mine
her,
are
she's
more
like
yellow.
leading
That's why they call her Chardonnay.
What's that?
She's like leading like a dog.
Yeah. Oh, she's leading the walk 100%.
It's so funny.
I'm following her lead. Come on.
Yeah, usually you see
Can't
them with
go
the
in the
harness and they don't like,
What?
she's like walking real upright.
Yes, like she's very confident.
It's like the
doing
leash
this.
isn't even there.
No.
Make her a show kitty.
Oh, you know, it probably helps. Is this like, it's like springy.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, that would be,
And
yeah,
I
that
never
would be
pull,
better.
I never pull whatever she does. I just flow with her. And if she does something like this, I'll grab it from the other end.
Is that
As to
specifically
not
for a
pull.
cat? Because that seems like a better idea for a cat to have it springy like
this is
that.
what the shelter chose to use, so I would think they would know best. Yeah.
Yeah, because I've never seen one of those.
I'm
That seems
one of
like
the
it would be.
volunteers, so I just follow what they
Okay.
tell me to do. No packaging. Out of the shelving.